All right, guys, so today we're starting off in the storage unit. We're gonna pull some sales and hit up a few thrift stores, right?
Yeah.
Or at least one. If we get a good shot at one,
maybe just that one.
then it might just be that one.
A ton of inventory, but I would like to find at least like a day's worth of listings for shoes.
Yeah, so stick around for thrifting, but for now, we're gonna pull what's sold. Voila! It's like such a shock when it comes on.
It's like so bright. It's like so good.
Yeah.
Well, I do already have 3 sales in this bag, which seems silly, but you know, we were gonna show you what they were. So
Yeah. We brought them because it seems silly because they were home. We could have packed them up, but yeah.
But we wanted to show you. So
of course.
Yeah. I guess I'll show you these 3 first.
I don't think is that silly, guys. It's not. I don't think it's that silly.
Well, I just say it because we've gotten some comments like, well, why would you do that when it's already at the house, or why would you ship in the...
Look, guys, so we obviously, if we were not doing a YouTube, things would be a lot different in how we run things, but we do a lot of this to kind of show on video, and that's, you know, we do think about that often when we do stuff, so...
Yeah, so I did sell this puzzle. This actually sold last night on our live.
Yeah.
So... And I just listed it last night before the live, so it sold really fast. World's most difficult puzzle.
That's cool.
I guess it's double-sided.
Yeah, 2 sides. Sounds fun.
This looks, it looks pretty difficult. It's like all the same. Anyways, I bought this for $3.99, sold for $16.76 plus ship. I knew it wouldn't sell for a ton. I thought $15 to $20, and yeah, I was very happy with how quick it sold. I always look for sealed puzzles at the thrift.
Yeah.
Because even though they don't sell for a ton, they usually sell. People always want puzzles. And then these naturalizer shoes were also at the house, and I bought them for $7.99. Sold for $23 with discount shipping. I listed these a little lower than I would normally because it just didn't come super clean on the white part. So I basically doubled my money on those. These last ones. This was not a good pickup. I feel like today is like a bunch of sales that are just regular. Okay, sales.
That's okay. We're gonna go find some great stuff.
Hopefully.
We're
so
calling
this
it
day
out.
that I bought these, which was just like on our date night last Friday, we found like a whole cart full of shoes, and we were on date night, so I'm not like looking everything over like I normally would. I'm just like,
right.
These are $5.99. I was like, that's fine. They're real leather. They're just the J41, which I thought was like Jambu or Jambu, whatever, but maybe it's not. I don't know. Either way, when I looked up comps when I was listing them, they were only selling for like $10 to $15, and I paid $5.99, so I ended up getting $12.56 plus shipping. But they did sell like the first day, which was cool. Yeah. But I only made like $4 or $5 profit. That's fine. But yeah, I found a lot of other great stuff that day, so that was cool. All right, and then I'll go through the rest, but I did just make a sale on the way here, which is
this was a pretty good sale too.
Yeah, this one was. These have only been listed a week or so. These the Keen tall boots like this always sell really fast. Sometimes I've gotten like up to $80. These ones sold for $50 plus shipping, but I bought them for $15 last week.
Nice.
Okay, D.O.
Where is it at? Where is it at? There it is. Found it. We'll be organized someday.
Sold a hot dog, I think. This was our son's. I got him like 5 of these whistle and flute tanks off Mercari. They were $10 each. With tax, $10.51 into $15.85 free ship on Kitizen. So he did get to wear this, and then I'm only losing like $1 maybe after shipping and fees. So not too bad. Okay, CM. Over here. Some Dance Go. These sold for I bought them for $14.99, which was kind of a lot. I'm telling you guys, our thrift store prices are just getting up.
I think that's a common everywhere.
I know it is. And it's fine. They can charge whatever, and I've still been buying them. It's just like I'm making less now. So these ones sold for $33 plus shipping, so maybe close to doubling. Probably more like a $13, $14 profit there.
Yeah.
But yeah, Dance Go. Mary Jane's. BN.
Be in all the way top right or left.
Some Hello Kitty Crocs bought for $8 at Once Upon a Child, sold for $20.96 plus shipping. All right, basket going out to Junk Monkey.
Junk Monkey, Rob.
I know I sold another.
He's always at the lives.
Grab this.
And he has a live show himself on Wednesdays. Go check out Junk Monkey.
Thank you, Rob. He said he was trying to get the Poshmark ambassador or something, so you have to buy something from someone else. So I feel very honored you chose us to buy something
absolutely.
from me. Grab this Panthers hat. We got this at the bin, so $205 cost of goods that day and $211 with discount shipping. So thank you, Rob.
Cool, Rob. Thank you so much for the support and for always being at the live show. We do appreciate you very much.
All right, and let me just find this label since I already have it. I need to put one of those what's the things at the grocery store where they tap their fingers? Do you know?
Oh yeah, like the little moistener thing.
This Tiger's visor sold for $9.20 plus ship. This was a Ben Smith's find, so $1.54 into $9.20 plus shipping.
Cool.
CN Crocs. These ones sold for $23 with discount shipping. I bought them for, was this discount? No, this was first class. This probably says plus shipping. I think these ones are plus shipping because I think this was on eBay.
Oh, okay.
There's no discount shipping on eBay. So yeah, $6.99 into $23 plus shipping. Okay, shoe shelf. These. I sold these on Posh last week. Someone offered, I accepted, and then within 5 minutes they said, "Oops, I didn't look at the size right. Can you cancel?" So
yeah,
I don't know. I canceled. Obviously, I wasn't going to ship them something they didn't want.
Right.
And I relisted, and then these sold on eBay for $41.96 plus ship. I bought for $9.99, so not too bad.
Yeah.
Still love this brand. These weren't in the shape is okay, but they're dirty on the bottom, and they had a weird spot right here. So, I showed pictures of everything, and normally those would go for more than 41, so I'm still happy to get 41. All right, CP. More Crocs, little toddler girl. Red glitter, bought for $3.99, accepted a $15 offer on Mercari, not Mercari, Poshmark.
We have not had coffee yet.
We haven't. Which reminds me, we do have a coffee today.
Yeah, that's right.
Chocolate blue. These are some chocolate blue flats. That's the brand name.
Okay.
Yeah. I found these a few times. They've always sold pretty well. The leather on these is super buttery soft. So yeah, they have a pretty distinct look, this seamless flat.
It's so hard to see the glare. Yeah, you'll see it on the picture. Yeah.
I did pay $12.99 for these. They sold for $38.01 plus shipping pretty quickly within the first, I'd say, week or two. I have another pair listed. Hopefully those sell quickly too. All right, BK.
Some flannel.
One corduroy button down. I actually really like this shirt. It's I like corduroy. So carbon to cobalt, bought for $5.99, accepted $24 offer on Posh.
Cool.
And lastly, CI. Prana, just a swim top only. Bought for $5, sold for $35 on Posh.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Got a full bag, a full List Perfectly bag. They just sent that to us. That's a cool bag.
I was just
Nice
surprised. I didn't know
tote.
they were going to send me this.
Yeah.
I might need to get some more from them. I
Yeah.
like it. Anyways, we went kind of quick because we do want to get to the thrift.
Yeah, so we're going to head over to you want to get a coffee on the way or you want to do that after? You need it now.
I do. I don't know. Maybe after. I don't want to
Yeah.
spill it on myself.
Maybe
so.
we'll get coffee as a reward
Yeah.
for when we find something really good.
Yeah.
So.
Should we do hustle at home mom style if we find?
Well, we're going to get coffee no matter what.
We are.
So,
Yeah. I'm not drinking no green smoothies or anything.
we don't, yeah. We're going to go to Goodwill first, right? So let's head over there and we'll see you guys there. All right, so we just got out, and Kathy found what, like 10, 12 pairs?
Yeah, maybe 11.
11?
You know,
right in the middle?
Exactly 11. I did find these. These are probably not going to sell for a ton, just some Eddie Bauer slippers. They were $11. I think I can probably double my money on those. These Spencos, I need to pull out the insoles and wash them, but otherwise they are in decent shape. These usually sell around 30. Spenco.
Okay.
Got some basic Crocs, little slip-on canvas loafers. These usually go for around 30. A lot of basic stuff here. I think I got one decent pair. Yeah, some Asics. I usually pass on Asics. These are dusty, but they're size 11 wide, which is kind of why I grabbed them. That's a really good size. These were new Skechers. Those should go for probably 35 or so, maybe 40. I usually pass on Bear Paw, but these were like new slippers, so I think I'd get at least 30 out of those. These just need to toss in the wash, but they're men's Skechers. These are like the arch fit, which is a good thing, and then they're also like they're 10 and a half, but like extra wide, which is a good thing. That's cool. I found these again. Well, we didn't show the other pair. I found on a video, but yeah, this is a brand I've been looking out for forever, and I found it, I want to say like this week.
Wow.
And then I found it again this week. So yeah, the other pair I found is like a high top sneaker boot. Those should go for 50. I didn't look up this model, but I want to say 40 to 50 at least.
Nice. You're saying that's knitted almost like a Rothy, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like a Rothy.
Yeah.
I think these are a very small like brand that a lot of people probably don't know about, but it's definitely a good resale brand.
Sweet.
So some Skechers, like a leather boat shoe. These I kind of bought for Chris, but if they don't work for him, I'll just sell them. Just some basic Sanooks. These would, you know, they were $8 and they would only go for maybe 20.
Yeah.
But I think they'll work for him. This is probably the best thing we got here. Just a nice pair of Ultra. Really nice. The shut is perfect on these, and they were only $10.99. They normally price these up at like 15 to 20. These are men's 10, so good size. And just some Clark's booties.
Cool.
Yeah, so not a bad stop.
Yeah.
I think we'll stop at one more store that's just like right across the street.
Yeah, we came over here because there's a couple really close together, so.
The store that I'm mentioning is, I went there last Saturday and got 44 pairs, so I don't know that there's going to be a whole lot of new, but hopefully.
You never know though, right? Like.
We'll go find out.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
we'll go.
I'm pretty happy with what I found here.
For sure. So let's head on over to, it's ARC, right? So let's head over to ARC. Goodwill was pretty good to us today, so we'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, so we just finished up at ARC, and we got away from ARC because it was super busy and loud, and so we came over. We're gonna get a Starbucks afterwards, so we figured we'd park here, show you guys what Kathy found. I don't think I found anything, but
So there was a lot of shoes I may have picked up, but they were yellow tag, which tomorrow everything's half off except pink, because pink's the new color for the week. So I only kind of bought things that were pink this week. I was planning to come tomorrow anyway, so I'm just gonna come tomorrow and get all the yellows. You know, I think we got some footage just showing, you know, they price anywhere from like 15 to 25 bucks, but even on half off, 12.50 is okay for a lot of like Keens and stuff. So I'm gonna come get those tomorrow. But yeah, I just grabbed a few pink tags today. Got some men's basic Skechers. These usually sell for 35 to 40. I just like these like vintage old, what is it, late Tiger.
Le Tigre?
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is.
This
Is it?
vintage USA made, yeah. I like these, and I like old Lacoste polos and stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna sell for a lot. It was $5. It'll probably sell for like 20.
Okay.
Plus shipping. These, I was just like, oh, cool, vintage sweatshirts.
Yeah, St. Patty's Day is just around the corner.
Right, which there's no way I'm gonna get these. Even if I list them today, it's what, the 10th. Nobody would get these in time. So
Yeah.
I don't think they'll sell for this St. Patty's, but I think they'll sell. And comps are pretty good on these. Like, I don't know. Some of them were selling for like $80. Yeah.
$80
In my
each,
head,
huh?
when I was like looking at it, I was like, this is probably like a $30 sweatshirt. So.
Yeah. And you found not one, but
I found a
two.
second one. Yeah.
They're the same print, right?
They
Same
are
exact.
the same. This one looks like it's been washed, worn more like it's a little bit faded. This one
Okay.
looks like it hung in a closet or something. It's pretty bright green still.
Right.
But yeah, vintage. It's 95. Yeah. So University of Missouri, St. Patty's something or other. These might be a pretty good little
Could be a pickup, but we
Maybe
might
like
have to
5.
hang on till next year.
I mean,
Worst case,
yeah.
but
I don't know if people buy them to wear them or to like just collect them. I don't really know.
yeah.
This is a cool find. I love selling this brand, Saks. And they were new with tag.
New with
so
tag.
Even better. Yeah, they were like $9, but they should sell for, I would say, at least 40, maybe even like 50.
Sweet.
Got some Keen, just a basic Mary Jane, usually goes for 35 to 40.
All right. Sorry, a really loud car just drove by and still off in the distance, but so found some.
Yeah, so like these Skechers Delights, like Delights as in, like they say Delights on them.
Yeah.
For some reason, these always sell pretty well for me, and like I could tell this was the one on the shelf, I think. So it was like I could tell it was new with
Yeah,
tag.
still had this thing on there.
But yeah, so I paid up for them, thinking I could at least make like probably a $20 profit still. And then we got to check out, and they had the box.
They had the box.
It looks like they retail for $70. I might list them for like $59.95 plus shipping then, and just probably expect around $50.
Yeah.
These technically I did pay $25, but I might average with some other stuff and make it feel like less. But
Yeah.
anyways, those will definitely sell. Like even if I made a $10 profit. Sorry, I'm stepping on like some trash. To me, that would pretty much be worth it.
And then the star of the day, if you saw us picking the video, Kathy found
Freebird.
not one, but 2 pairs of
Another
Freebirds.
Freebirds, and they looked pretty good.
Yeah.
Almost new, right? And then we got to the checkout.
Got to the checkout, and you know what?
Came with the box.
Again, they both came with the box. They got little accessories in there.
Whatever these are, I don't know. Like just
I think you just put it inside the
probably
shoe, like a little.
just like keep it shape.
Yeah.
So here's that. They have their little dust bag in the box. They're like the Carson model.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean these were what? One was 17, one was 20. These retail for like $295. So.
Huge score. Huge score.
I might
So
try
you're
them
gonna sell
on,
them,
yeah.
right?
They are my size, so I might try them on. But this
Yeah.
is, I won't say it's not my style. I'm like too chicken to wear something cute like this. But
Yeah.
I love them. And yeah, best case, I sell them for like, I was just looking up some comps. I mean, with the box, I think I could get closer to 200
Yeah.
per pair.
Our biggest concern was one of them had like some like bright
Yeah,
pink
I mean, this one,
Sharpie.
I probably wouldn't say that they're new, even like I'll send them with the
Yeah.
box, but this
So
is
usually
gonna be
with
hard.
leather you can sand it, and I think we can
pinks.
get most of that off. We'll have to,
Yeah.
we'll try, but yeah, look at the sole. The sole's look in such good shape too. All the other soles have, you know, much more wear than that. So I almost dropped it. So,
Better not.
awesome. So that wraps up the day. Good job finding those. That's. It was funny because she was like, "Oh my God, Freebird!" She grabbed it, and then like she's looking at it.
No, I was like, let's do this as the thumbnail.
And we started, yeah, we took the thumbnail with one Freebird, and then you look back, and then you found the second pair right there. I wish I would have.
was looking for more, of course. but
Yeah, I wish I would have caught your reaction to that.
How did these things end up at the thrift? Like, who bought these? Did not wear them, donated them, or like, I don't think Freebird donated them to the thrift
I don't know.
store. So like, it's just
There might be a husband in a lot of trouble today. So, anyway, we're gonna head up, get some coffee, and we did have a buy me a coffee from our friend Gardening Sis.
Gardening Sis said she took our spreadsheet to her accountant with eBay reports. Was in and out in no time. He was impressed. LOL. Thanks.
Awesome.
Thank you, Gardening.
Gardening Sis, thank you so
That's
much.
Really good, actually.
Yeah.
So.
All right, guys, thank you so much for all of the support. We do appreciate it, and we'll see you guys next time.